Hey guys, welcome to History on a Thursday. And what we're looking at now is the Google Slides presentation that I made to show you the materials you now need. So you should have printed this paper, the small one at the top, and you should have printed the world map at the bottom. You will need a set of crayons or markers or colored pencils or whatever you'd like to use. You're going to need a pair of scissors and a glue stick. So I wanted to show you that. Now, this paper came from a lesson where I probably would have done 2 maps in one day, but I've decided to split them. So you'll notice that at the top of this smaller paper, there is information about just the United States, and we're actually going to save that map for next week. This week, we're only going to work on the world map section, which is at the bottom. So this is what it would look like when you isolate just the world map. So you can see here that I have all my materials and I have my world map pieces nicely cut out. And now finally, this is what your desk or work area should look like before you get started. This is what it would have looked like in the classroom as well. So you can see in front of you that I have, over here we have the continents, which are the large areas of Earth, the large land areas. We also have the largest water areas, the saltwater areas, which are oceans, and there are 2 countries. One is a country by itself, and it's within North America, and it's the country we live in. It's the United States, very good. And then the other one is a country and a continent. Do you know which continent is also its own country? Australia. So we are going to, what I'd like you to do now is to try on your own before you watch my next video, if you can, to place the continents, the one country, and the oceans in their correct section on the world map. Don't glue them yet. Just see if you remember anything from our conversation. If you're really struggling before you do this, and let's say you're like, I don't remember any of it, I'm going to put a neat video from YouTube that'll help remind you before you try to place them on your own. Then go to my second screencasted video, which will show you the answers, and you're going to see how I'm actually using an online program because I can't show you the work that I'm doing. But I hope you're well, and I'll see you in video number 2.